Inkett is a website that allows novelists to actually be able to get down their thoughts on an AI-powered manuscript. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. Just going through the onboarding, I'm going to say I want to mostly write fiction, and let's see what we can do here. So we can build a voice profile, we can edit a draft, can draft the first chapter. In this case, I'm going to go with that, and let's say click on the new book. I'll just call it testing. And let's see what we've got. So we've got we can link to particular plans we've created if we have any. In this case we don't, so it's gonna say the plan is on the side on the left. Okay, cool. We can type / for commands, and we can actually see live line edits. Okay, so I want to say okay, cool. This is pretty cool. So you can actually run these commands to see what would happen next. You can also create plans as well. I think what should I do here? In fact, I'm just going to say let's go with a story about a boy who discovers let's say a futuristic radio that allows him to talk to aliens. Cool. Let's see where this can go from here. So yeah, I'm just going to, let's say 2 to 3 ideas on what could happen next. So the command for that is / I'm stuck, and we've got some chapter here. So the chapter 3 potentially could be the forest. To let the boy test the radio alone. Hear a reply that sounds impossible at first, like a voice answering in a broken, distorted language. He can realize the radio is not just broken text, actually reaching someone, which raises the stakes right away. Cool stuff. So from here, I guess what we can do is we can copy this and probably just paste it in here. Cool. So what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to select this, and in fact I'm just going to use Apple Intelligence, which is built into the Mac, and I'm going to say expand this into, let's say expand this into a full blurb with, let's say 300 words. Actually no, let's keep it to 200 words. Cool. And yeah, I'm a big fan of Apple Intelligence because yeah, it just allows you to I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out. You know, ultimately they do this, which is like live inline access to compute. So I'm just going to click update. Cool. And here, obviously, I'll double check this and read it and make sure it's what I want. But I've got access to a blurb that I can use for the book. And yeah, ultimately, I can start padding things out. So yeah, this is quite a useful tool. Like I said, there are a few other things you can do here on the left, but definitely check it out if you think it would be useful for you.